And in a big development today, Karnataka cabinet will be meeting to discuss the COVID-19 situation in the state. The meeting comes in the wake of demands to bring back a lockdown in the city of Bengaluru as COVID-19 cases have now started to rise in the city. The meeting comes a day after Karnataka recorded 397 new cases and 14 deaths. Bengaluru alone saw 173 new cases yesterday, while SSLC and the Class 10 board exams begins in Karnataka from today. The decision to hold these exams has been criticized by the opposition. JDS and Congress have in fact lashed out at the BSY government, but the state government has assured that all safety precautions have been taken.
More than 8 lakh students are appearing for SSLC or Class 10 board exams today in Karnataka. The examination was to take place on March 27th, but was put on hold due to lockdown. The government's decision to hold board exams has met with opposition. Former Karnataka CM H.D. Kumaraswamy and the Congress have called for postponement of examinations.
It's too late to take a decision. Already they have decided that exams should be conducted. They have made all the preparations. Correct. If suppose they should give an option to the students, at least now, those who do not want to attend the exams due to COVID or due to whatever reasons, they should be given one more chance to appear for the exam.
The state government, however, is in no mood to budge.
Why is that we are trying to keep away the children from the exams, and I don't think it is a right decision of not conducting an exam.
The Yediyurappa government claims all precautions have been taken for the safe conduct of examinations.
The government is responsible for the safety of each and every child in this state. So we will take all necessary care and all necessary steps.
White marks that has been put in for parents or students to stand before the gates open. The exam starts around 10:30, but students can enter starting from 7:30. And the next thing is the sanitizer. Every student who enters the center will have to use the sanitizer and then enter. And next is the thermal scanner. Every student will be checked for temperature, and the next stall or the table that has been put in here, mask. Every student has to wear compulsory mask, and if they forget, the center themselves will provide a durable mask or a washable mask.
Parents and students are worried though.
Children should not waste 1 year, and instead of doing that, follow for 4 subjects Chennai rule, and 2 subjects you can have, because many students are intelligent. So make maths and science as a compulsory, keep them the 2 subjects as a compulsory after 1 week or 2 weeks, but not now.
For one exam we are risking our life and going and writing the exam. They say that there are supplementary exams and all. Yeah, we also say that they should keep the exams, but after a month or 1.5 months.
Among the southern states, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry have cancelled board exams. Karnataka, however, would be encouraged from Kerala's experience, where board exams were held with social distancing and nobody got infected. With Nolan Pinto and Nagarjun Dwarkanath, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.